Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and check the minimum amount of an Amazon gift card. So what is the minimum amount of an Amazon gift card, you might ask? And it varies from countries to country. So if you want to simply go ahead and check, all you have to do is simply go to any browser you want and simply go ahead and search for Amazon. So I have searched for Amazon.com. You can go to anything like Amazon.in or even Amazon.co.uk. So all you have to do is over here just search for gift cards like I did. And finally, once you have done that, on this page you're gonna go ahead and see this product which says Amazon.com e-gift card. So what this is it's basically an electronic gift card that you can simply send the code off to the people you want to gift, and you can simply go ahead and gift it to them. So in order for you to go ahead and check your minimum amount, all you're going to do is simply over here where it says enter amount, write 0. And when you write 0, right down here, as you can see, it says the minimum amount is $1. So just like this, you go ahead and check the minimum amount you can put on a Amazon gift card. So if you thought this video was helpful, and if you have any more queries, you can leave that down there in the comment section. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.